5 Best Oils for Nerve Damage. In the realm of natural remedies for nerve damage, essential oils have gained significant attention for their potential healing properties. These concentrated plant extracts have been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices across the globe. With their versatile nature and numerous benefits, essential oils can provide relief and support for individuals suffering from nerve damage. In this video, we will explore the top 5 oils known for their nerve damage relieving properties. Whether you're seeking relief from chronic pain, neuropathy symptoms, or nerve inflammation, these oils may prove to be an invaluable addition to your wellness routine. Let's dive in and discover the power of nature's healing oils. Causes of nerve damage. Nerve damage can occur due to a variety of factors, including injuries, such as fractures or dislocations. These physical traumas can lead to nerve damage and can be a source of immense pain and discomfort. Autoimmune diseases and conditions like diabetes are also known to cause nerve damage. This highlights the importance of managing these conditions effectively to minimize the risk of nerve damage. Another crucial factor that contributes to nerve damage is vitamin deficiencies, particularly deficiencies in B vitamins. These vitamins play a vital role in nerve function and overall nerve health. Therefore, ensuring an adequate intake of B vitamins is essential for preventing or managing nerve damage. Additionally, exposure to toxins or certain medications can also result in nerve damage. It is crucial to be mindful of any potential risks associated with environmental toxins or medications that may have adverse effects on nerve health. Symptoms of nerve damage. Common symptoms of nerve damage include numbness, tingling, and pain. These sensations can be quite uncomfortable and can significantly impact daily life. In more severe cases, muscle weakness or paralysis may occur due to the extent of the nerve damage. This can greatly limit mobility and make even simple tasks challenging. Loss of coordination and balance problems are also signs to watch out for as they indicate potential nerve damage. It is crucial to address these symptoms promptly to prevent further complications. Additionally, sensitivity to touch or temperature changes can be an indication of damaged nerves. How essential oils work. Essential oils are highly effective in providing relief for nerve damage due to their unique interaction with the body's limbic system. This system, responsible for emotions and memory, can be positively influenced by the inhalation or topical application of essential oils. When used in this way, essential oils stimulate the release of chemicals in the brain that promote relaxation and pain relief. Moreover, certain compounds found in essential oils have shown to possess neuroprotective properties, which means they can help protect nerves from further damage. Additionally, essential oils have the ability to improve blood circulation, a crucial factor in nourishing damaged nerves and facilitating the healing process. Benefits of using essential oils for nerve damage. Using essential oils for nerve damage relief is a natural alternative to pharmaceutical medications that may come with side effects. Unlike medications, essential oils offer a holistic approach to managing nerve pain. By addressing both physical and emotional aspects, they have the ability to not only alleviate pain, but also promote relaxation and reduce stress, which can greatly impact overall well-being. Additionally, regular use of essential oils can help improve sleep quality, which is important for the body's natural healing processes. By reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation, essential oils may even help improve mobility in individuals with nerve damage. While there are many essential oils that can provide relief for nerve damage, certain oils stand out for their effectiveness. Here, we have rounded up the top 5 oils that have been proven to offer relief for nerve damage symptoms. Number 1. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is renowned for its remarkable soothing properties and its ability to induce relaxation. In addition to these benefits, lavender oil has also been found to be effective in reducing inflammation and calming the nerves, making it an exceptional choice for individuals experiencing nerve damage and seeking pain relief. When employing lavender oil for nerve damage, there are a few recommended methods of application. One approach is to directly apply a few drops of lavender oil to the affected area and gently massage it in. This direct application allows the oil to penetrate the skin and target the specific area of concern. Alternatively, one can mix a few drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, creating a blend that can be utilized for a soothing and therapeutic massage. This method not only allows for the benefits of lavender oil to be absorbed by the skin, but also enhances the overall relaxation experience. Another effective way to harness the power of lavender oil is through aromatherapy. By adding a few drops of lavender oil to a diffuser, the calming scent can permeate the air, providing a sense of tranquility and promoting relaxation for both the mind and body. Breathing in the aromatic molecules of lavender oil can have a profound effect on reducing stress and inducing a state of calmness. Overall, lavender oil offers a versatile and natural approach to alleviating nerve damage symptoms, providing comfort and relief in various ways. Number 2. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is widely recognized for its remarkable cooling effect, which has made it a popular choice among individuals seeking relief for damaged nerves. This essential oil contains menthol, a compound known for its analgesic properties that effectively alleviate pain and discomfort. To harness the benefits of peppermint oil for nerve damage, it is recommended to dilute a few drops of the oil with a carrier oil and gently apply it to the affected area. It is crucial to remember that peppermint oil is highly concentrated, necessitating proper dilution before use. Alternatively, one can create a soothing cold compress by adding a few drops of peppermint oil to a bowl of cold water, immersing a cloth in the mixture, and gently placing it on the affected area. The coolness of the compress provides immediate relief, offering a refreshing sensation that helps alleviate discomfort caused by nerve damage. Number 3. Helichrysum oil. Helichrysum oil is a remarkable essential oil that offers significant benefits in the realm of nerve repair. Its potent anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent choice for reducing swelling in the affected area. By applying a few drops of helichrysum oil mixed with a carrier oil directly to the damaged nerves, you can experience its healing effects firsthand. Gently massaging the oil into the skin ensures that it is properly absorbed, allowing it to work its magic on repairing the damaged nerves. Alternatively, you can indulge in a therapeutic soak by adding a few drops of helichrysum oil to a warm bath. This allows the healing properties of the oil to combine with the soothing warmth of the water, providing a comforting and relieving experience. Whether applied topically or incorporated into a relaxing bath, helichrysum oil is a powerful tool in promoting nerve healing and overall well-being. Number 4. Frankincense oil. Frankincense oil, known for its calming and rejuvenating effects, has been used for centuries. Not only does it have various benefits, but it can also be particularly helpful when it comes to nerve damage. Nerve issues often bring along stress, anxiety, and inflammation, which can be alleviated with the use of frankincense oil. Moreover, this essential oil has the potential to promote cellular health and aid in the regeneration of damaged nerves. To incorporate frankincense oil into your daily routine and experience its benefits, there are a few methods you can try. One way is to add a few drops of the oil to a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or jojoba oil, and gently massage it into the affected area. This allows the oil to penetrate the skin and target the damaged nerves directly. Another option is to use a diffuser. By adding a few drops of frankincense oil to a diffuser and letting it disperse throughout the room, you can enjoy the calming aroma and potentially reduce stress and anxiety associated with nerve damage. This method is particularly beneficial when you want to create a relaxing environment to unwind and promote overall well-being. If you prefer a more targeted approach, you can create a homemade salve using frankincense oil. Simply mix a few drops of the oil with a carrier substance like shea butter or coconut oil to create a soothing and nourishing salve. Apply this salve to the affected area for long-lasting relief and to support the regeneration of damaged nerves. 5. Chamomile oil. Chamomile oil is widely recognized for its impressive calming and soothing abilities, making it a popular choice for individuals seeking relief from various ailments. One particularly notable benefit of chamomile oil is its potential to alleviate neuropathic pain caused by nerve damage. By applying chamomile oil directly to the affected area, individuals may experience a reduction in irritation and discomfort. This is due to the oil's anti-inflammatory properties, which can effectively reduce swelling around damaged nerves. To utilize chamomile oil for nerve damage relief, it is recommended to mix a few drops with a carrier oil and gently massage it into the skin, allowing for optimal absorption. Alternatively, individuals may choose to enhance their relaxation by adding a few drops of chamomile oil to a warm bath and indulging in a soothing soak. This method not only helps to alleviate physical discomfort, but also promotes a sense of tranquility for both the mind and body. In conclusion, using essential oils for nerve damage can provide much-needed relief and support nerve health. Lavender oil, peppermint oil, helichrysum oil, frankincense oil, and chamomile oil are all excellent choices for managing nerve pain and promoting healing. However, it's important to remember that essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with caution. Before trying any new remedies, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Additionally, prioritize self-care and explore natural options for managing nerve pain. By incorporating these oils into your daily routine, you can take steps towards a healthier and more comfortable life.